Howdy folks, Buster T-Bone with Fritzy Brothers. Today I'm going to show you how to spin a rope, then I'm going to show you how to jump into it so you can do the wedding ring. That's what it's called when you're inside the rope and it's spinning around you. Enjoy. Now this rope that I'm using is just a nylon rope. I purchased it at Lowe's and I got 13 feet of it. After I cut it, I took a lighter so that the end of that rope doesn't fray. And I did that on both ends. And this end, I made a little loop. Just about big enough to have two pieces of that rope go through. And I just taped this one. It's a lightweight rope and I didn't want it to be too heavy. Take this end of the rope and put it through there and go about 5 feet. And after you do that, what you want to do is take this rope at this area, take the rope here. When you throw that rope out, you're going to want to hold on to this part of the rope. While you're doing that, you want to bring your wrist right over the top of where this is going around. So you're going to throw it and then just follow it around. Hold this part with the right hand and leave about 2 feet of that. So when you throw it out, it already is into a circle. It's already into a loop. Now you can see that I'm just moving my wrist right where that loop is. And to expand it, you just spin it a little bit faster and it'll slide out. It'll slide out there a little bit. And that's how you spin a rope. Now to hop into it, when that loop goes right past you, you can jump in. You've only got a little window of opportunity. And you could slow it up a little bit to do that. And then for the wedding ring, you just keep spinning right above your head. You keep that rope going, and again, follow that knot. Follow the Honda around. And you have to kind of hold that loosely, hold that rope loosely so it keeps, when it's twisting, you can do it. Keep spinning it around right above your head, and just let it loosen up in your hand. Mario Zucchini taught me how to spin a rope. He's one of the guys that got shot out of the cannon with Ringling Brothers, Barnum and Bailey. Hans Frischnick, the owner of the Matterhorn, back in '83, asked Mario Zucchini to come to the Matterhorn and teach me how to do some rope tricks. If you like what you saw, click the like button, make a comment, and subscribe to Fritzy Brothers.